Hi, this is Zach Meir with the Crypto Risers here at Zach's Traders Cafe for Sunday, the 24th of March. Starting off with Dogecoin, which is making decent progress in terms of the rebound that we've had since the start of last week. We bounced above a rising 50-day line, which tends to be a leading indicator on the upside. We've got the top of that rising trend channel from October there at 19 cents. Above that on an end-of-day close basis, looking for up to 25 cents, ideally in the first half of April. The other ideal factor is that we don't see any lasting price action back below the 14 cents level recent support. Moving on to something a little bit more esoteric, and here you can see that Acala is on the deck at the moment. We've got the rising trend channel there from back in October. That's basically we're suggesting a target at 20 cents. Above that, we're looking for up to 30 cents by the end of April, which is the upper parallel of that rising trend channel. And nice situation there with the new support coming in at basically old resistance. Moving on to Badger, which takes a while to type out, in fact, but here you can see that the situation is one of a decent breakout over the last 24 hours. Rising trend channel there from back in, basically the end of August, heading for $12. We're looking for that over the next couple of weeks, especially while we remain above the $7.50 area. That's just below today's intraday support, and also about the midway of yesterday's trading range, and as well as being just above the old resistance from the start of this month. Another situation to keep an eye on at the moment is coming up next, and it's Cratos. And here you can see we've got this W-shaped formation consolidation there, and we've already had the shares hitting the market hitting the 0.57 area. We're now at 0.75 and looking for a move up to 0.88 maybe over the next week or two. Key is that this is a mid-move consolidation ahead of a new move to the upside, which actually could be quite significant, perhaps up towards the 0.134 level, which would basically double where we are at the moment. The next situation is perhaps not quite as dramatic, but we'll see what we have there at Dimo. We've got a rising trend channel there from the turn of December. A bit of consolidation there, a bit of a bear trap rebound from below the 40 cents level, which is good. Above 40 cents, looking for the top of the range into the low 60s, and best case would be by the end of next month up to as high as 78 cents if this is a genuine bear trap rebound. 50-day line also rising as well, so an end of day close above that today would be a decent positive sign. Moving along to a situation which has a code which is totally different to the name of the market. Here we've got eForce, and here you can see we've got a rising trend channel base. It's good that the 50-day line is rising. We just had a little bear trap below it on the end of the week, and above that 50-day line at 0.57, looking for basically the 1 cent level, i.e. doubling from the 50-day moving average zone. Hopefully get up to the 1 cent level by the end of next month, or even sooner than that. Moving along to a rather less fraught situation, and it comes in the form of Internet Computer. You can see that we've got this another nice consolidation situation. The rising trend channel there, in this case in place since the beginning of December and the top of the channel heading for $17.50. We're looking for that over the next couple of weeks, especially now that the price action seems to be settling at and above the now rising 50-day moving average at $13.28. Once again, we've had a slight bear trap rebound effect, which should hopefully help the upside resolve relatively quickly. The next market is also in decent mode at the moment. Lisk, here you can see we bounced off a rising 50-day line. Some resistance to get through there around the $2.10 level. But if we can do that over the next week or so, looking for $3.40 by the end of next month. And that's valid while we hold above the 50-day line there around $1.65. So quite a decent risk-reward situation sort of starting there at Lisk at the moment. The next market is Maple, and here you can see that we've got this almost like saucer-shaped turnaround, which is looking very healthy within a rising trend channel from back at the beginning of November. The top of the channel there heading for $30. We're looking for that by the end of next month, and especially if we can get a decent quick break of the $21 area, which has been recent intraday resistance for this market. At this stage, only well below $17, really implying a delay to the upside festivities. One of the best movers of the recent past has been Nuls. Here we've had the market hit our second very ambitious target there towards the low 90s, 93 cents. Above that now we're looking for a fresh leg to the upside, $1.30 by the end of next month. It'd be amazing if we could do that by the end of this month, but upside valid here at least while we're above the initial March resistance around 79 cents. So I think everything really there revolving around that 79 cents level over the near term. Rarible is next, and here you can see that we've got a good pattern to shoot for. You can see that there's the support for this market above a rising 50-day line, also at old resistance around $2.20. The longer we stay above $2.20, the greater the chance of a move to the top of that rising trend channel at $4.60 by the end of next month. Finishing off with Scallop, and here just nudging the, well, sort of delivering a brief high there, intraday high, recent record level. We're looking for up to 80 cents by the end of next month while we remain above the floor of the channel here around 41 cents. Ideally, we'd stay on the right side of 50 cents, but that may be asking a little bit too much. That's it for me today. More updates tomorrow.